how to use phone application on your macOS 26. So firstly, we want to open the phone app. So click on the Spotlight search, type here phone, and simply click this option and press enter to open the phone app on your Mac. And here you will see the phone app, which is actually connected to your iPhone. Make sure that you are in your Apple account here, and also that your phone is connected to Apple account. So now you want to look to your phone app, and here you can see all your recent calls, and you can do whatever you want from here. So you can, for example, edit contact here, you can call him, text him, or FaceTime here. If you click here, you can click on call history. You will see all your history from your iPhone, incoming and outgoing calls. You can change here the contacts photo. So I will show you how you can call. Simply click on the contact which you want to call, or just click on search. And here select which type of call you want. So you can call or FaceTime. So I'm gonna, for example, FaceTime here. Click it. And it will automatically call that contact from your Mac. Also, if you're FaceTiming, it will use your camera. So if you have your phone app opened, in the left upper corner area, you can click on video, and here you can choose which video you want to use. So I got here two options: FaceTime camera, which is the macOS camera, or the iPhone camera. Also, you can change the microphone in use. They are the same options: MacBook or your device microphone, or your iPhone's, which is actually connected to your phone app. Also make sure to go to your menu bar, phone, and here click settings. Here you can set the start new calls from option. So if you have the iMessage, for example, connected to your mail address, you can set it here. Also, if you go to calls, you can block, you can screen unknown callers, and you can, for example, set here ask reason for calling, and here you will also see your blocked numbers. So this is how you can use your phone app on macOS. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.